Hello guys, welcome to SAS TV. In this video, we will unbox and review the features of Steelbird Air SBA-1 R2K helmet. So let's get started. The helmet is available on Flipkart and Amazon. The link for the same is provided in the description box. Alright, let's start the unboxing now. So this is the box that contains the helmet. Inside this, we get an extra visor. I selected the smoked one, hence you see the black visor here. And finally, the helmet. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, let's see the features now. Number 1. Attractive design. Number 2. Good air ventilation. One near your chin, another near your head. And the air goes out from the back of your helmet. Number 3. Multi-layer EPS thermocol. As you can see, the inner part of the helmet is very soft. Number 4. Quick release micrometric buckle. This type of buckles are actually good. It's very easy to open this buckle. Number 5. Multiple visor options. You get two different visors. This is how it looks when you use the smoked visor. From the inside, it looks something like this. And for the normal visor, this is how it looks from the outside and inside. Alright, that concludes our features section as well. Now let's see how to open a visor. Take the helmet and make sure the visor is wide open, just like this. Now use your thumb and push this button to the opposite side of where it was. Now put one finger here and the other one here and pull it out, just like this. Do the same for the other side of the visor as well. Let's see it in normal motion now. As you can see, we pulled the button, put the fingers and pulled it out. Now that we have opened the smoke visor, let's put the normal visor. To do that, take the visor and you will notice this stoppers in both sides. There is a hole here. Put this stopper inside the hole. Now pull this button, press this stopper a bit and release the button. Alright, let's see the other side now. As you can see, we are using the same steps to put the visor. Alright, finally, this is how I look when I put on the helmet with smoked visor and normal visor. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to support us, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love